Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or be discussing with you, how to delete account on Duolingo. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to delete your Duolingo account, well, this one is quite simple. So, at the bottom right of the screen, you want to go and click on the three-dotted option, or the three-dotted icon. So, let's go and click on it, and you want to go and choose Profile. Now, inside Profile, you want to go and click on the gear icon you see at the top right of the screen, and you want to go and choose Profile in the first options here. So once you click on Profile, it should give you the option to change a few things like your avatar, your name, username, your password, and even your email address. But you should see the delete account option that you see at the very bottom of your screen. So if you click on delete account, it's going to now ask you, do you really want to delete your account? So in this case, you will be able to, or you'll get like a 7-day grace period to abort the account. The activation process, so your account will be deactivated, or in this case, if you want to like recover your account, still have like 7 days. And also the deletion process takes about like 30 days, so it might take 30 days. But then again, as long as 7 days is not up, you should be able to re-log in into your account again and basically recover your account, just in case you change your mind. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.